stock, crypto, credit moves. April 29th, 2022, 1 p.m. What's going on, YouTube? Back for another video on baked beans. The contract has been on a decline. It has been declining, but it's still some money to be made, especially for those that are already in. So I just ate 1.6 BNB, 1.69 BNB. So let's see exactly how much that is. Everybody talk about it's dead, man. How is it dead when the shit's still paying out money? Don't talk about how is it dead. That's $660, YouTube. You know, I mean, some people didn't make this thing so difficult. Oh, baked beans going down. Oh, this, oh, that. Get this money, man. Get the money while it lasts. Stop worrying about all that shit. Just get this money. So I'm about to get this money. You know, we sitting up here talking about what done died. It ain't dead in my eyes. How is something dead that paid me $700? Go ahead and take this out. It's a nice little Friday. Hope y'all enjoying y'allself. I'm finna get this money. Because baked beans ain't dead in my eyes. You know, I don't know how it's dead and it's still paying. That don't even make sense, but I let them naysayers keep talking that mess. Dead nothing. Yeah, I got some money to get out. How's it dead? How much I want to take out? Leave a little something in there, so I'll just go ahead and take 1.5. BNB BSC. Man, it's not dead. I don't really know why people saying what they saying, but I don't understand what dead mean, that it ain't no, you know, it ain't nothing left. But I know the devs are trying to prolong it. Yeah, you can't worry about when something dying. You just got to get the money while it's going. Oh Lord, somebody else done paid me. What I got over here? That must be from Novatech. Lord have mercy. Lord, it's a blessing. Money coming from everywhere, man. Goodness gracious alive. Let me go ahead and get this baked bean money. YouTube, you got to have multiple streams these days and time. It costs too much out here now, man. You got to get your money up. Different little ways to make a couple dollars here and there. Everything works out then. So I'm going ahead and I'm gonna take this out of beans. A little money. I mean, it's still producing, you know, a nice income. It's still producing income. So I know it's been a lot of negativity around the contract and why it's falling, but all good things are going to correct. Like, it's not going to go forever where it continues to just run up. So you have to just be realistic. You know, let's ride it while it lasts. You know, we take our funds, we diversify, get in something else. You know, that's how we got to play this DeFi game. So they sent that out. So I'm gonna pause this video for a second, finish sipping on this drink, and when that actually deposits, I'll be back. All right, that took a lot longer than that I thought it would, but it deposited. So we took out 600, and by the time it got here, 581 from baked beans. So guys, it's still paying. Don't listen to the FUD. Get that money, diversify, put it into different projects. You know, have some stocks you holding. Put some into some DeFi crypto income opportunities. You got to build for the future and now. Inflation killing your money. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how I'm making that money. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, let's get that money.